3 ways to help a woman reach orgasm faster. Most men don't realize that women need a completely different kind of stimulation to climax. If you've ever wondered why she takes longer, the answer is simple. You're probably focusing on the wrong things. In this video, I'll share 3 proven ways to help her reach orgasm faster and with more intensity. Number 1, focus on foreplay. One of the biggest mistakes men make is rushing straight into intercourse. Women need time to build arousal. Slow down. Kiss her, touch her, use your hands and mouth. Tease her body and build anticipation. This not only increases blood flow but also relaxes her mind, which is the key to faster pleasure. Number 2, direct clitoral stimulation. Most women climax from clitoral stimulation, not penetration alone. Use your fingers, your tongue, or even a vibrator to give her focused attention. Watch her reactions closely. If her breathing gets heavier or she moans more, you're on the right track. Clitoral focus can speed up her orgasm dramatically. Number 3, mental connection and communication. Female pleasure isn't only physical, it's also emotional. Many women orgasm faster when they feel connected and secure. Ask her what she likes. Whisper words that turn her on. Let her know you're paying attention. Communication is not awkward. It's actually the secret to unlocking her deepest desires. So if you want her to reach orgasm faster, remember these 3 things. Never skip foreplay. Focus on the clitoris and build intimacy through communication. A woman's climax is as much about the mind as it is about the body. When you understand that, both of you enjoy a better experience. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more relationship and intimacy tips. Thanks for watching.